Hello, Icaros. Come on.
Of war and wisdom. Does it please you, I wonder, to watch your city?
You took far longer than I expected.
There were complications.
In what way?
Your messenger was dead by the time I arrived, but I was able to free the captain, and the ship sailed. So, I still did the job.
Ah, poor Yerimos. But I should be thankful for your initiative.
You don't seem very concerned about poor Yerimos.
Every struggle has its sacrifice. Yerimos played his part well.
What's in Mytilene that's so important?
People. We need as many allies as we can gather.
This was more than I bargained for.
You'll be amply compensated. You have done me and the people a huge service. One day you will see your part in this great work.
How can I help you? Come back anytime.
I'm here about the job you posted. What's going on?
There's another merchant who's begun selling to many of the same towns I do, undercutting me with inferior product. His wines are like oil. His olive oil is like tar.
If your wares are better, you shouldn't worry about competition.
He needs a message delivered to him. Him and his pitiful wares. Delivered by one like you. Maybe he'll back off before I have to take more drastic measures, huh?
So you want me to bring this to the merchant?
No. I want you to kill him.
I'm the one for the job.
I owe you, friend.
Leave it to me. You're not very popular in these parts. You know why I'm here, don't you?
No, please. There must be something I can do to change your mind.
Maybe you could disappear another way. Like aboard my ship.
I must abandon my life here completely to avoid death. Fine, if that's what it takes.
They won't ask any questions. Best keep out of sight.
Hey! Has he been dealt with, Misthios?
He won't be bothering anyone anymore.
I'm a man of my word, so here's your reward.
That'll do. If I meditate, maybe Phidias will be here when I'm done.
Good. You made it. I was beginning to worry.
I told you I'd get you out of Athens.
So you did.
Can your friend be trusted?
Theras and I have been friends for a long time. I just sent word telling him where to meet us.
Wasting time will only get us into trouble. Let's head to Serifos while we still can. Roar!
Nice to see you, Commander.
I never thought.
Even safe harbors would be good.
I've left places I've called home. Get board! Rhodotos. What's that island ahead of us?
That, my friend, is the famous island of Salamis.
The place where Athens defeated the Persian. We've got a fight coming! Get ready! Reduce speed!